Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to enable the Instagram Reels remix. And this feature basically allows other people to reuse your Reels and kind of be creative with it. To turn on this feature, you first open up the Instagram app like I have here. Once it's opened, look on the upper right hand corner. So uh, open up Instagram, go to your profile page, then look on the upper right hand corner, click on these three bars right there, and this menu will appear, and then tap on where it says settings. When you get here, scroll down to privacy, then scroll all the way down until you reach Reels. As you can see, it's gray. That means it's off. To turn it on, tap on it once and you turn blue. Now it's on. That's how you can enable Instagram Reels on the app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If the video was helpful, make sure you subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.